got some new film. I don't know what exactly the brand name is, but it was called, I think, Amber, maybe t800. I think it's some sort of a Cinestill 800T alternative. I thought I was getting like an okay deal on it, but it was $15, but it has 10 less exposures, so I kind of just made a fool of myself. But I'm gonna see how it works out. See if I can get a picture of this. It's kind of neat looking. Let's see if we're gonna stand up right here. Little person. Ooh. And I've never done this before, so I don't know if I'm an idiot or what, but we'll see. Trying to use this kind of as a tripod. Maybe this. I'm pushing on the plastics a little bit. I think that'll work. The framing is kind of difficult. Can't see anything. I just used a bunch of fucking... I might have just taken a bunch of pictures. Fuck. Alright. Next place. Get both menus. I actually want to be over here. Maybe I could. I might be able to just do it on here. It's not bad. That looks hopefully okay enough. Okay. So I guess you press and hold. Alright. Let's get the fuck out of here. Ooh, I can maybe get one of the back. Tenders. All right.
It might look okay. Can't tell, but we will see when I develop. Hell yeah. That seems like an okay place to mount it. Another one of this. Hopefully these assholes don't get mad at me. This will be a nice test. See if the engine running fucks it up. Okay then. Very good. Oof. Oh wow. Train. Maybe right here. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I don't know if it did it. I don't think it did. Okay. Ooh, pink place. Definitely get one of that. Is there parking? That over there is kind of nice. I wish that light wasn't on. It seems too bright. I'm gonna try one freehand, see if it comes out really bad. It's really bright over here, so it may actually come out okay. Oh yeah, I don't know about that. Oh yeah, it's definitely moving, but we'll see what happens. Parking right here. That might be okay. Okay. That's kind of nice too. Alright. This is really cool. You know, fuck, I kind of want to picture that too. Hopefully I'm not scratching up my lens. I don't really love that light being in there, but I don't know, we'll see what. Okay. I got 12 left. We're doing it. Yeah, with the tree on it. be alright, I think. Yeah, this stuff's gonna be mostly, kind of guessing. I think I can kind of see the tree in there, I don't know. We'll see how it looks. This will be a learning experience. Fucking take the picture. Jesus. Maybe. You know what I could do? Try that out. Hopefully that worked. Ten more. Solo. Solo. Okay, as long as I got solo in it. Nice. Ooh. On the flamingo. Shit. Alright. Spending a lot of time in one spot. Okay then. Train. All right. Some of this stuff might just be bright enough. Just take a picture of with my hands. .45, nope. Not quite. All right, machine. Okay then. Whew. Now the flowers. Hope the glasses don't fall off. I don't know where it's gonna focus. Hopefully it focuses on what I want it to. All right. Whew. I got 4. We're getting close. Oh, wow, that's cool. Ooh, it's a cool building. What? This thing says one thing and then says another thing. The building over there is kind of cool too. Red stripes. Oof. Let's see if I might be able to. Okay, 2 left. There's a big bunch of tires. I'm gonna take a picture of that. Alright, one more. Oh shit. Maybe I'm thinking of somewhere. Oh, I am. Thinking of somewhere completely different. Shit. That place is kind of far away. Maybe too bright, dude. Oh, wow, look at that. Who that? I don't know if there's a guy in this truck, but I kind of like that. If I can maybe get it. All right. Back home I go. Whew. Yeah, I'm gonna probably end up getting some of the regular, the Cinestill 800 T, because yeah, I'm an idiot, and so
I bought this one because it was $15, and it has less exposures. It says it has 25 or 27, but then whenever I put it in my camera, it only had 25, so it's just not into that really. Which I think it could be my camera's fault, but I don't know.
still recording. I think it might be dying. All right, well if it dies, peace out, y'all. There's some birds. Bye, birds. Alright, hope they don't shit on me. Y'all have a good one.